Welcome back to the Brew Tank Brew Buds, where today we're going to be making a banana melomel. This one's a bit odd, but should be fun to make. Today we're going to use fresh star sands, 4 pounds of orange blossom honey, 4 pounds of bananas, 3.5 quarts of water, our little big mouth bubbler, D47 yeast, yeast nutrient, cheap vodka or sterile boiled water if you prefer, measuring cup, measuring spoons, and our yeast pitching bowl. Let's prepare our area for mead making. As always, sanitization first. Now before we pour our water into the carboy, we're going to reserve 2 cups off to the side and get it warm in our microwave. Today we're going to be making a sweet mead with our D47 yeast. With this yeast, always make sure to stagger your nutrients and to use Go Firm during your pitch so it doesn't stall. Once we've emptied the rest of our water into the carboy, let's grab our honey from the sink and get ready for our honey shots. Give it a good stir. Make sure to introduce oxygen into the must for the yeast so they don't get stressed during fermentation. Next we drop in our bananas, and we say our yarkalk and pitch. Okay, after the pitching is done, I'll give it one last stir. Next, we tighten up our lid with our airlock on. And fill up with your choice of vodka or sanitized water. Alright, all that's left is to give it some time, and hopefully we will have a tasty banana melomel on our hands. Making this melomel has given me an idea for a future experiment with bochet and bananas to make a banana fossa recipe, but that will take some time and more experience. Hope you all give it a try and share your experience in the comments below. If you like my videos and want to see more, then hit that subscribe button and I'll see you next time. Cheers.